GenAI features prominently on the CEO's agenda, but for most organizations, unlocking its full potential is a complex journey. And the challenge isn't technology itself. It's often about unprepared teams, unclear strategy, and fragmented execution. To drive real value, GenAI must not be approached just as a tool, but as a strategic business capability. That means building the right foundation, structured governance, cross-functional collaboration, and a team that understands both business and the technology. So what does a high-performing GenAI setup looks like? First, it begins with the right structure. GenAI team often has a strategic imperative where the central AI center of excellence reporting to the CEO works the best. GenAI works on transformational projects, touching multiple functions, reshaping business models, customer experiences, and operational efficiency. So, this team should not be under the CTO, CFO, or the CDO because these limits the specific functions to their specific domains. Next comes the team. You will need a business translator who can align GenAI initiatives with the real KPIs, a data architect to unify structured and unstructured data, AI and ML engineers to build and deploy solutions at scale, and MLOps experts for operational stability. And finally, AI ethicists to safeguard against bias, ensure responsible deployment. Hiring the right talent is very important. Look for people with the right blend of business, technical, and soft skills. Next comes selecting the right projects. The key here is do not start big, start smart. Use a value-feasibility lens to identify high-impact, low-complexity use cases. Think auto-summarizing customer feedback, agent-assisted claims processing, or intelligent checks on onboarding documents. Once you build confidence, you can move on to more complex initiatives. Governance is a critical part of any GenAI project. A GenAI Review Board can help standardize evaluation, track performance, and enforce responsible AI practices across the board. And for each project, structure matters. A typical team might include a product owner, a business SME, an LLM engineer, and a project manager, sourced from internal teams or through a partner like Sigmoid with substantial AI expertise. Finally, when deciding whether to build or buy, keep it strategic. Off-the-shelf tools work well for common tasks like co-pilots and chatbots. But when it comes to domain-specific, IP-sensitive use cases like underwriting models in insurance, it's better to build in-house. GenAI promise is big, but realizing it takes the right structure, the right team, and the right choices. That is how companies move from pilots to real performance.